All right, so if you want to use the auto nozzle with your hyperheater, the only way you can really do this is to heat the water inside the tank. So if you were to connect the auto nozzle directly to the end of the hyperheater, the on and off action of the auto nozzle is actually going to cause the hyperheater to overheat, and it'll just give you an error code on the front. So we're going to show you real quick how to go ahead and preheat the water inside of there. Okay, so the way we're going to preheat the water inside the tank here is you're going to want to shut off the valve right here and go ahead and disconnect the nozzle. Then what you're going to do is take the hot water outlet from the hyperheater and put it right back into the water tank on your rinse kit. And what this is going to do is it's going to heat the water inside the rinse kit, so you can then connect the auto nozzle to the rinse kit hose. Okay, so now that you've preheated the water inside the tank on your rinse kit, all you have to do is connect the auto nozzle to the quick connect, turn on the valve, and you can wash your hands with warm water.